I'm Emeka Elewune, and I am a CPA. It really distinguishes you from your peers, and it's something that employers really look for. It looks great on a resume.
Hi, I'm Chris Fleming, and I'm going to be a CPA. This is the electromagnetic aircraft launch system catapult. It's the only catapult like it in the world. A lot of what we do on base is classified and top secret, and if I told you about it, I'd have to kill you.
My name is Nicole DeRosa, and I am a CPA. Being a CPA isn't just doing taxes or just auditing financial statements. It's very multidimensional.
I'm Greg Collins, and I'm a CPA. For me, having a career and having skills that have been marketable have allowed me to survive what people call a bad economy.
I am Devin Desmond, and I am a CPA. Being a CPA is something that's respected within the industry. It really is able to open doors for you.
I'm Gordon Lavalette, and I'm a CPA for the New Jersey Devils. I became a CPA because I wanted to perform at the highest level in my chosen field of accountancy, and I thought becoming a CPA would help me do that, and it certainly has.
They score!
Here at Lakehurst, we do a lot of test and evaluation for the Navy. I support the electromagnetic aircraft launch system. It's a next generation catapult for the Navy that they're going to be putting on aircraft carriers. What I like most about this job is with accounting, a lot of times you hear about people being bean counters or working with numbers all day. Here, it's a different environment. Yeah, I work with numbers, but an engineer will come into the office and slap a piece of hardware on the desk that's broken and say we need to pay for a new piece.
The accounting profession is a great profession to be in. At KPMG, we have internship programs which typically would lead to a job offer. The unemployment rate among CPAs is about 3.5%.
I work for the New Jersey Devils. I'm Executive Vice President, Finance and Administration. We're responsible for accounting for all the money and revenues that come in and all the expenses and costs that go out. The good news is that CPAs are needed in every industry and every company. We have a saying around here, if we ever leave, we have to go find a real job. Because when you're passionate about what you do, it doesn't feel like a real job.
This is why I'm a CPA.
Because of the fact that I've been a CPA so long and I understand business, what I've become is much more of a business advisor than anything else. People come to me for advice and how to run their businesses or how to expand their businesses or grow, how to develop wealth. My biggest client is 50 Cent and G-Unit. We do full service business management for them. We also get involved in a lot of their different deals and transactions to try to make things happen for them.
I started with WithumSmith+Brown 2 years ago now. I also interned with the firm my junior year of college over the summer. Hey Frank, how's it going?
Hey Devin, how you doing?
Good, good. One of my clients, Creative Media, which owns a number of radio stations all across the U.S. As part of its audit, we get to travel to those radio stations, so it really adds a perk to the job. Last year we were out in Michigan, Detroit. Have to go up to the corporate office in Boston every year.
WithumSmith+Brown is a mid-sized regional accounting firm. We're headquartered in Princeton. I'm actually in the New Brunswick location. One of the perks of being a CPA is being able to go to clients' locations. I was fortunate enough to go to the company Michael Kors and work on their location. Michael Kors is a high-end fashion designer for handbags, shoes, and clothing.
You get a lot of international exposure. We audit a lot of multinational clients, brand names like Adidas, Hewlett-Packard. I have colleagues in Germany and Switzerland, and the firm really lives up to its promise of providing you with opportunities for global experience.
The New Jersey Devils have won the Stanley Cup.
I get excited about being a key advisor and a trusted advisor to the owner of an NHL team, particularly one that just went to the NHL Finals. I'm at the table for every major transaction that happens here.
The variety of work that I get really just keeps me interested. One day I could be at a radio station, the next day I could be at a nonprofit.
The ultimate reward working for the Department of Defense is supporting our troops that are overseas. I mean, there's no greater reward than that. The technologies we develop and that we implement and help produce ultimately end up overseas, and The future of our country is in that hands.
Who I service is primarily sports and entertainment clients. When 50 Cent wanted to have a headphone line, I'm the person that introduced the idea to him. DJ Pauly D is a new client of ours. He was named one of the top 10 earning DJs around. And we've been involved in helping him with all the other businesses that he's been able to start up.
If you're thinking about going to college and business is something you might be interested in, accounting is the degree to go into.
I am a recipient of the NJCPA scholarship. I was able to use the money towards my college education and financial aspect of going to college.
Don't just get a job. Get the kind of job that lets you gain the experience that's going to help you do what you ultimately want to do.
The good news is that CPAs are needed in every industry and every company.
It's a great profession to be in. There's tremendous job security, tremendous job placement.
By being a CPA, you're automatically held in a higher regard. CPA equals 3 letters that spell out respect.
If I wasn't a CPA, I'd probably be a CPA.
All right, so I'm standing at the site of the Hindenburg crash back in 1939. We're at Joint Base 1937? Oh, man.
Today our guest is Devin. Devin, what's it like being a CPA?
My name is Emeka Elewune, and I am a CPA. Is that all I need to say? Or?
My iPod actually has all my Zumba music on it. I am a licensed Zumba instructor on the side, so I'm a CPA by day and a Zumba instructor by night.
If I weren't a CPA, I'd be trying to play hockey or football, I think. and it's a good thing I'm a CPA.
They're saying harder. Hit them harder.
What I would have attempted to do would have been to play in the NFL. Now, between you and I don't think that would have worked.